Alright, so here's a quick Excel project that a lot of people need. An attendance sheet that automatically marks present or absent. Let's say you are a teacher, a coach, or just managing a team. Instead of manually typing present or absent every day, I will show you how to build a sheet that does it for you based on simple input. I have listed student names in the first column, and across the top, I have added 5 dates. You can easily extend this for a full month. Now, instead of typing present or absent manually, we will add a drop down in each cell so you can just pick present or absent quickly. To do this, I will select all the cells where attendance is to be marked, then go to the Data tab. Then I will click Data Validation and again choose Data Validation from the drop down that appears. Now here's where we set up the drop down. Under Allow, I will choose List because we want to restrict the input to a list of values. And here, in the source field, we type the values we want in the drop-down, separated by a comma. I will type present, comma absent, with no quotes, just comma between them. Make sure this box in cell drop-down is ticked. This is what actually shows the drop-down arrow in the cell. Click OK. And now when I click on any of these cells, you will see a small arrow on the right. That's your drop down. Just click the arrow and pick present or absent. No need to type anything, no spelling errors, no rework. Right now, the drop down works, but everything still looks the same. So let's add some color to make it visual. We will highlight present in green and absent in red, so you can see attendance patterns at a glance. First, I will select the same attendance cells again from B2 to F6. Now I will go to the Home tab at the top, click on Conditional Formatting, and from the menu, choose New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule window, I will choose this option. Format only cells that contain, because we want to color only certain values. Now here's where we set the condition. Under Format Cells With, first drop down, I will leave it as cell value. Second drop down, I will change it to equal to. Then in the box, I will type present. Now I will click Format, go to the Fill tab, choose a green color that stands out. Then hit OK. Done. That's our first rule. Whenever a cell says present, it turns green. Let's repeat the steps to highlight absent. Again go to Conditional Formatting, New Rule, Format only cells that contain, under Format Cells With, cell value, equal to, absent. Click Format, Fill tab, pick a red color, click OK. Then OK again to save the rule. Now watch. When I mark a student present, the cell turns green, and when I choose absent, it turns red. It's super easy to scan now, and way more useful than plain text. Alright, now let's make Excel do the counting for us. So it tells us how many days each student was present or absent. I will move to column G right after the last date. In the cell G1, I will type present count, just a header. Now in cell G2, I will start typing a formula. First, the equal sign. As I type COUNTIF, Excel shows me suggestions. I will click or press tab to select the first one. That's the function we need. Now it shows the format. COUNTIF in brackets range comma criteria. Meaning tell Excel where to look and what to count. So I will select the row for the student from B2 to F2. And then in double quotes, I will write present and close the bracket. then hit enter. And now we have the count of how many days this student was present. To apply the same formula for other students, I will just drag this cell down. Let's do the same thing for absent. I will type absent count in cell H1. Now H2, again I will type count if, choose the suggestion, and this time count absent. Hit enter and then drag it down. And that's it. You now have a simple clean Excel attendance sheet with dropdowns, auto marking, colors and total counts, ready to use every day. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.